Hey guys, it's Kyle with the How To Guy 123 here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to export your video in Adobe Premiere Pro with a transparent background. This is also known as an alpha channel. So I have my intro here, and if I go ahead and play it, you can see that there's a slide transition here and it slides into black. So when we export our video with the alpha channel, the black here is going to become transparent, and if you were to import this video into another project and give it a background, all the black here will be replaced with your background, kind of like a PNG image. So let's go ahead and come up here to File, Export, and then Media. Then this window is going to pop up. Under Format, make sure that QuickTime is selected. Under Preset, choose Custom. Under Video Codec, choose Animation, and you're going to want to scroll down here to where it says Depth, and you're going to want to choose 8bpc plus alpha, and also you're going to want to make sure that Use Maximum Render Quality is selected. And now I'm going to put this in a specific folder. Okay, now click Save, and we can go ahead and export our video by clicking on Export. Alright, great. So our video has just finished exporting, and if I go ahead and import it into another project. So I'll go ahead and drag into the timeline here, and play it back. Okay, you can see it's the intro, and actually if I put it on track 2, and then if I import this clip here, I guess I will, okay, I'll put the audio under there. And if I just kind of drag it, oops, I don't want to change the opacity. If I just kind of drag it under, here you can see just when the black is about to appear, a little more. Alright, there we go. So now if I play it back, you can see that the video, my intro, slid out into another video. So all the black was removed and it was replaced with our background. So that is pretty much it for this video. If this helped, leave a like. If it didn't, leave a dislike. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.